What's the meaning of constitutive? Constitutive. Constitutive.
Constitutive. Constitutive. The term constitutive refers to something that is inherent or essential to the nature or structure of a particular thing or system. In other words, it is a fundamental aspect or characteristic that is necessary for the existence or functioning of that thing or system. For example, in biology, genes are constitutive elements of DNA because they determine the structure and function of proteins. Similarly, in law, the Constitution is a constitutive document that establishes the framework and principles of government for a country. Overall, constitutive describes a fundamental and essential part of something that cannot be removed without altering its nature or identity.